Hello everyone, I am Professor Yashaswini. Will be handling corporate accounting for BCOM and BBA students. In the corporate accounting, module number 1 is the issue of shares. Topics covered in this video are introduction, meaning, features, and the types of shares, issue of shares, subscription of shares, minimum subscription, over subscription, pro rata allotment, book building procedure for issue of shares, problems relating to journal entries on issue of shares at par, premium, and discount. The first topic in the issue of shares is company. So first you need to understand the meaning of the company. A voluntary association of organization of many persons who contribute money or money's worth to common stock and employ it in some trade or business and share the profit or losses thereof. So, company means it is a voluntary association. It is nothing but who comes forward to make a common organization who contributes money or money's worth. Money's worth means here like it can be financial assets, anything which will be used for the business, and further whatever the profits or losses will be incurred from that will be shared. Okay, this is the meaning of the company. So next, once if you have understood the meaning of the company, the next is share capital. The company raises capital by issue of shares because it is being an artificial person cannot have capital of its own. Such capital raised by the issue of shares is called share capital. Share capital is mentioned in the memorandum of association of company. So here share capital means it is nothing but it is a capital. Okay, as the company is an artificial person means it is not a natural person, which is not been from birth itself. So it is made up by the other person, so it doesn't have any capital of its own, so capital to be incurred, so it issues the shares. In return it will be getting the capital, so that is what called as share capital. So another thing they have mentioned here, that is a share capital is mentioned in the memorandum of association of company, that is MOA. To raise the capital, or if such clause are mentioned that a share capital is raised or shares are issued, it must be mentioned in its memorandum of association. So in this slide we have understood about the company and share capital.